So welcome back to the online math class of class 11 and good afternoon all of you. And Swastika, what do you want to know? So do we need to solve the problems or just note options? There's no explanation required. Okay, you just write the options and the answer. Okay, and then make a PDF and then send it here in this group from where you are doing the class. Is it alright? No explanation required. You may or may not send the rough page where you are doing the calculations. Okay. Any other question regarding the exam? Any other question regarding the exam? Okay, so now move on to 12.3. 12.3 is going on in the last class. We have done already 1 and 2. Okay, so from 3 we will do. You also do it in your copy and respond me. Question number 3, page number 277. Page number 277. Question number 3. 1 and 2 already done. Okay, 1 and 2 already done. Find the ratio in which the YZ plane divides the line segment formed by joining the points. 2 points are given here, minus 2, 4, 7 and 3, minus 5, 8. Find the ratio in which the YZ plane divides the line segment formed by joining the points minus 2, 4, 7 and 3, minus 5, 8. Okay. Now here it is given that the YZ plane will divide. So we know that YZ plane will divide the line at which point? At which point? At which point? Can you say me generally? At which point? Any point on YZ plane in the form of, let the point of on the YZ plane be 0, y, z. Why? Because it lies on the YZ plane. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Since it lies on the YZ plane, that's why the x coordinate is 0 here. That's why it is taken as 0, y, z. Isn't it? Isn't it? Suppose this is A and this is B. Okay, so the point which divides the line segment formed by joining the points, these two, will be this one. Now we will take the ratio. Let the ratio be, let 0, y, z will divide the line segment you may say here AB in the ratio k is to 1. In the ratio k is to 1. Okay, you may take it as k is to 1. Isn't it? Now find out the point, because A and B is given here. Find out the point. therefore the coordinate of the point we know the formula, that is mx2 plus nx1. So here all the denominators will be k plus 1, k plus 1, k plus 1, and in the numerator k into mx2, that is 3, plus 1 into minus 2, then again k into minus 5 plus 1 into 4, then k into 8 and 1 into 7. Okay, this is the coordinate of the point where yz plane divides the line segment. Now the point, all the points on the yz plane of the form 0 comma y comma z, that means the first portion will be 0. Okay, so according to the condition, according to the question, 3k minus 2 by k plus 1 equals to 0. So 3k minus 2 equals to 0, that is k equals to 2 by 3. Isn't it the value of k? Isn't it the value of k? Isn't it? Respond me. Who are doing the class, please respond me. So the ratio will be, I am erasing the board now. So the ratio will be therefore the required ratio that will be 2 by 3 is to 1, that means 2 is to 3, because you can't leave it in the fractional form, you have to convert it in integral form. Isn't it? Isn't it? Any doubt, any queries, ask me. Ask me. Swastika has already responded. And others who is joining the class, respond me. Bhavya, have you done it in your copy? Now go through the next one. Go through the next problem, question number 4. Find the, sorry, 3 is done already. This is question number 4. Move on to question number 4. Okay, wait once. That is using the section formula. Okay, that is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, ny2 plus ny1 by m plus n, that section formula. Using that formula, you have to show that a, b and c are collinear. 3 points are given, the coordinates are given, you have to show it 3 points are collinear. I am erasing this one. Can you solve this? Can you do this? Can you solve this? Yes, you do it. You may do it and send me here. I am waiting. No problem. If you are doing the class with mobile phone, then you can send me here. You can send me here. I can check it out. Is it done? Is it done? I am waiting. Is it done? Question number 4. I am waiting, Swastika and Bhavya. Using the section formula so that the point A, B, C are collinear. Do it first. I am waiting. Do it first, I am waiting. First of all, let us take that P divides AB in the ratio K is to 1. Let P divides the line segment AB in the Is it done? First of all, let P divides the line segment AB in the ratio K is to 1. Okay. Therefore, the coordinate of P the coordinate of P that will be from the formula. All the numerators will be K plus 1, sorry, all the denominators, and in the numerators it will be first of all it will be minus K plus 2, K into minus 1. Just check it, the coordinate of A and B, coordinate of A 2 minus 3 4, coordinate of A 2 minus 3 4, and coordinate of B that is minus 1 2 1, minus 1 2 1. So that will be in the numerator minus 1 into K into minus 1 minus K plus 2, second portion 2K minus 3, third portion K plus 4, the numerators. Isn't it? Isn't it? Respond me. Who are doing the class, please respond me. Now, respond me. Who are doing the class, please respond me. Now look at the coordinate of C. That is 0 1 by 3 comma 2. 0 1 by 3 comma 2. The coordinate of C. The coordinate of C, that is 0 1 by 3 comma 2. Now for checking purpose, let us take the first portion, that is equals to 0. That will give you K equals to 2. Now putting K equals to 2 in the second portion, therefore 2K minus 3 by K plus 1 will give you 2 into 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. That will be 1 by 3. Okay, isn't it? And the last portion 2 plus 4 by 2 plus 1, that is 6 by 3, that is 2. The last portion, that is K plus 4 by K plus 1. So whenever I am taking this one as 0, K will give you 2, and then the second portion will give you 1 by 3, and the last portion will give you 2. That means the P, the chord P actually nothing but the point C, isn't it? The coordinate of P and coordinate of C is same, isn't it? Can you hear me? Who are doing the class, please respond me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? The coordinate of P and coordinate of C is same. Okay. So here you may write here coordinate of P equals to coordinate of C. Whenever we taking the first portion as 0, that means C divides the AB. Therefore C divides AB in the ratio 2:1. Okay, C divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, we may write here ABC are collinear. Isn't it? Isn't it? Lies on the same line. Yes, I am checking, Swastika. Wait once. Can you send me in the horizontal mode? Can you send me, Swastika? It will be easier for checking. Can you change the orientation of the page and then send me? That will be easier for checking. I am waiting. Yes, all right. No problem. You are correct. So also time has ended. So that's all for today. Any queries? Any queries? Any queries? Okay. So thank you all of you for doing the class. Next day we will be back again here with a new class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.